Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified. I'm Shravin Bandadanayaka. Some of the common emotions associated with the study of law would be stress, anxiety, and at times even anger. This is further exacerbated when you have an indefinite delay or even a cancellation of an examination or an assignment submission. Some of the common questions that I get posed on a daily basis in this trying time that we all face is, how exactly do I cope with such changes taking place? The answer to that is that you don't cope at all. You leverage. Now, we've spent time planning and preparing for our examination all the way up to that pivotal date of the exam, only to be told that the goalpost has been shifted, that there is a delay. And worse still, not due to a fault or a problem on your end, but something that's completely out of your control. When it comes to a situation like this, many students often face a dilemma in terms of, what do I do now? I've planned, I've prepared, I've studied, I've made my mind up in relation to a goal. In fact, on a number of occasions on this very channel, we've looked at techniques of how to work our way backwards in terms of our examination preparation. But what you need to think of this situation as much as trying it is, as much as it is difficult, is that more than anything else, it's a bonus. Between the time that you should have taken your examination and the time that you will take it now, take this as a valid and an opportune moment to consolidate the knowledge that you have. Go through and summarize that which you thought you didn't have enough time to go over. Improve on your technique of answering problem and essay-based questions. Going through your past feedback reports, or it might even be the questions that you've attempted thus far. Find resources online and among colleagues. Help each other out as well to bridge the gaps that you had in the knowledge in the substantive law, as well as improve on your articulation. The situations that we are all going through is not opportune, but we must understand that when it comes to not just the study of law in terms of the academics, but going into a professional career would mean that we will be forced to face unforeseen circumstances such as this. The differentiator between those who succeed in the profession, as much as those who just simply pass an examination versus those who ace, is how best we can think on our feet and apply these principles to any given scenario. You will never have circumstances presented to you in your academics as much as in life which are planned. There are plenty of instances where you would have to adapt your thinking and the way you apply yourself. Having said that, I wanted to take this opportunity to wish all of you all the very best in terms of your delayed examinations or assignment submissions, and to make sure that you understand that there are opportunities that present themselves. There's always a silver lining to any dark cloud, just like this one. If you'd like to consolidate the knowledge that you have, as well as improve on your techniques, make sure to visit my online law school, which you can check out through the link that will appear on screen as well as in the description. You'll get access to comprehensive masterclasses as well as fast-track courses and the newly introduced workshops, where you'll understand how to apply the techniques in law in terms of your substance of the law to a problem or an essay-based question, depending on the subject that you're attempting. But until the next time that we meet, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.